Hello everybody, ladies and gentlemen, the Wisdomanic. Welcome to the session of Saturday. Today, 30th of May. We are in the March end of May, the last session of the month of May. As we all know, in every Saturday, Wisdomania conduct a session to develop our leadership habit. Wisdomania is a platform where the body leader, particularly the student, will hone their skill and competency to become a global leader. That's why our mission is to experiment, to explore the difficulties in our life by creating it as an opportunity. Wisdomania believes that opportunity is the birth of adversity is the birth of opportunity. We should find opportunity in adversity, and that is why our mission has been designed, developed. So the more problem we face in life, we will not be perturbed. We will take it as an opportunity. Problem is our opportunity. Difficulties is our opportunity. Adversity is our opportunity. We will convert it to a success. Sachin Tendulkar always say, if pupils don't throw at you, convert into a milestone. One pupil criticized you for your good things, also even bad things, convert into a milestone. This is why we have developed our mission. In our daily life, we face many problems. I am been facing a problem. One of my Wisdomanic, Siddharth, he is having a huge physiological problem. His spinal cord and the lumbar portion has bent. Scoliosis has developed due to some problem in the disc, invertebrate and vertebrate disc L4 and L5. He has been suffering in pain. But this also may be opportunity. He is being under treatment now. That is maybe opportunity. He will be more cautious because it was happened for his body weight, probably. His body weight has gone up to a 95 kg. His height is 175 centimeter and weight is 95 kg. The body mass, body weight mass is mismatching. He should have 72 kg. So 20 kg he has put on. That is his opportunity tomorrow to reduce his weight to 72 kg. And remember, once he reduces his weight by curbing his habits of intake as well as exercise or yoga or physical exercise, he will never ever in future will put on his weights once again. He will be always cautious. That is why I have been telling, difficulty problem gives a chance to a person. Opportunity in adversity. Siddharth will find opportunity in his disease. उसका बीमारी में ही उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा. वो बीमारी एक बार वो बॉडी वेट कम करने से वो हटा देगा, वो कभी भी उसको बॉडी वेट नहीं बढ़ाएगा. अगर नहीं होता तो बॉडी वेट बढ़ते ही जाता उसका, उसमें ध्यान ही नहीं देता. Very simple things, logic in our life. But the problem of human being, most of us, they like today's generation. Today's generations are pampered child. They are only one son or daughter of their parents, though they have been reared up with a very adorable circumstances. So what is the problem? They cannot take pressure. They cannot take that their endurance is very low. They get perturbed. They get moved on. With the little things, they get moved on. So that is a big opportunity for Siddharth Siddharth has not been pampered, but Siddharth had opportunities to not to put on his weight in future, so that he will be alert from now, very much alert, that never ever I will do such thing that will gain my weight. So in his difficulties, in his pain also, he will find the opportunity. And this is because of Wisdomania. I have encouraged him to face more problem in life. He is perplexed to take a right course in his career. He decided upon to do statistics, actuarial science, then he has changed his mind to become a doctor. Now it is also opportunity. And I told him, anything, everything is possible. You are Wisdomania. Always believe, Ronak and Raja, that you are Wisdomania. You are not a common person. आम आदमी नहीं हो तुम लोग. तुम लोग आम आदमी हो, तुम्हारा एनाटॉमी से. लेकिन तुम लोग साइकोलॉजिकल, मनस्तात्विक भाव से तुम लोग आम आदमी का हिस्से में नहीं आते हो, क्योंकि तुम्हारा सोच अलग है. That's why the mission of Wisdomania. We need to bring change in our thinking. A considerable change I have registered on Ronak. Mind engineering he has been doing. That's why I told today morning to Raja. The best thing I appreciate with one of our Wisdomania, although he is not our permanent member, but we are soon going to give him the permanent membership by seeing his attitude. Is his ever daunting attitude. He never feared to perform a work. He never feel that I can't do this work. Once he decide upon to do work, this is our mission, Wisdomania's mission. Let's face problem. Before problems you. But give the problem to the problem. For a time being, you will feel bad. You will feel completely broken, you will be completely disheartened, you will completely frustrated, you will be dejected, you will be nowhere. That is common. I will read out something from Swami Vivekananda, how problem he faced in his life. He was the richest person once upon a time when his age was 10, when his father was alive. His father earning was 5,000 rupees per month in that point of time, 200 years back. Which is, if you calculate 5,000 rupees after 200 years, I am talking about 1963 when he was born, and today is 2020. Almost going to be 150 years.
1963 or 1863?
1863, sorry. 1863 he was born. Mahatma Gandhi born 1862, Vivekananda born 1863, Rabindranath Tagore born 1861. These 3 years called the golden period of Indian history. One after another, luminaries were born. 61, 62, 63. The golden triangle of 3 years. World has given three legends in their own fraternity. Rabindranath Tagore, literature, Mahatma Gandhi, politics and peace, and Swami Vivekananda, the great motivator. The monk, who was not a monk, he was not a religious person, he was a monk, more than he was a motivator. Am I right or wrong? What is the uniqueness, USP? The strength of mind. So our mission is very clear. We will feel bad. Siddharth also feel pain. I felt very bad. Last 3 days I could not sleep. Because he could not sleep. Entire family could not sleep. We took him to the CT scan. We found something, doctor found. He is being abated now. 1 second. Human life is like that, my dear friend. Be like a phoenix bird. तुम लोग को पता नहीं है phoenix पंछी क्या होता है? उसको जला भी दिया जाता है, वो ऐस से फिर निकलता है, अपना ऐस से, अपना छाई से, भस्मों से। हाँ। तो हम लोग हारेंगे नहीं। दुबला मोरार आगे मोड़बो ना भाई, मोड़बो ना। आमी भाई कोड़बो ना भाई, कोड़बो ना। तोड़ी खाना बाइते गेले माझे माझे तूफान मेले, ताई बोले हार मानबो ना भाई, मानबो ना। We shall overcome one day. We shall overcome. हम लोग कभी भी मरेंगे नहीं, मर के भी जिएंगे, क्योंकि मर के जीतने को बाजीगर कहते हैं, हार के जीतने को बाजीगर कहते हैं। Siddharth will join with us after a couple of minutes. So, what is the major things? This is our strength, Wisdomania. And I am happy. I have seen the change of one person, which is Ronak Juvraj Singh. He is developing this habit. Never die, never lost hope. That's why I am sharing today his example, illustration of Ronak Singh. I have monitored him very well in the last 1 month. He has significantly, whenever I told, please contact with me at night, whether it is rain or he has contacted me, and he has improved his English communication. He took him to the level of X. Now he is working to go for. I was busy the last week, so I could not concentrate on him. So again we will start from this first week, 1st of the June, once again.
A new month, new year.
So you have to reach to the level of Y. Okay. But he has gained this habit. I told if you do the same thing for 21 days. This is scientist, beginning. Scientists say, this is proven. If a human being perform any work for 21 days, it will form a habit on his mind. अपना मन का अंदर वो habit form हो जाता है. It's generally you then nobody need to follow up with you. You can do your work by own. Same thing which Raja has significantly failed. Ronak has gained it. That is our mission. So, my dear wisdom, believing that Vivekananda told, strength is life, weakness is death. Abdul Kalam told, experience is the best teacher. Your experience, mean be it good or bad, can guide you. If you have faced, Vivekananda told, if you have faced more bad experience in your life, your success is more guaranteed. সংঘর্ষ যত গভীর হবে, বিজয় তত মধুর হবে. What is the meaning? If you make more trouble, your success, your victory will be much more joyous. Robert Hooks, who fought 20 times, and every 20 times he defeated in a war. And the last time he was completely frustrated and dejected. He was put on jail, prison. Then he was completely broken. He thought I should suicide. So one day at night, he was languishing on a jail and he slept. And he was in quarantine stage. So he saw one spider, makra, no? Hindi mein? Makra. Spider was trying to climb wall. But most of the time the spider is failing to climb the wall. Then he started counting. He found 22 times that spider has climbed the tried to climb the wall and fallen. It struck his mind. If a spider can attempt 22 times, why I can't? So again he developed courage and Josh, and again he mobilized his army. Again he fought, went to the war, and that time he won the war.
Same things ant also.
And these are the insect are a great example to us. एक ant कैसे कैसे खाना लेके जाता है.
वो बार-बार गिरा देता है.
Look at that mechanism of bees. Bee doubles. मक्सी मौमाछी जिसको बोलते हैं, मक्सी ना. देखो कैसे वो उतना बड़ा बनाता है हनी बीज. So our wisdom here is a platform. Birds also. Nest. How they build their nest. Fanfan में सब में गिर जाएगा पूरा. Again they will repeat. So my dear wisdomany, I want to make you understand the essence of life. The essence of life say you have a beautiful life which you should enjoy and develop it towards a positive way.
Positive thinking.
The best feature, that's why Wisdomania is a psychological platform. We believe in psychology more than our physiology. Physiologically we are stout, bungee muscles, stout figure, handsome in looks. We should have a same. We should be handsome at our mind also. Psychology. That is more important. We will watch many movies, many videos. One person who has lost his two legs in an accident, he can swim also, you know. There are many examples, not here. There are many illustrations are there across the globe. I know one swimmer called Mansoor, I forget it. His two legs were amputated in a road accident. But still, he fought it out. He became a great swimmer. He died few years back. But he fought it out and he won. English Channel, the most difficult channel. It's a dream for any swimmer to cross that English Channel. Because in the English Channel, most part of the English Channel, there are shark. गैंजेस में जाओगे मछली मिलेगा, इंग्लिश चैनल में शार्क मिलता है. शार्क क्या करता है आदमी को? But he swim without two legs. I will show his story. A lady from Halishaw, Baby Haldar. She was a maid servant with a two little sons. She became a writer, earning crores of rupees per month at Delhi now, under one professor. The belief you should have on yourself, that these are examples we are discussing here in Wisdomania. It's a practical experience and surrounding us. There are many unsung heroes and heroines around us, even we don't know them. We don't know them, but they are in front of us only. How they are fighting every day, but they enjoy what they do. That's why I always believe in your problem there is opportunity. राजा का प्रॉब्लम है, उसका माइंड थोड़ा ये हो जाता है, तो this is opportunity. But how to do it? You need to think big, think high, and always try to encourage yourself from your back. Yes, I am the person who can solve only my problem. If others can do, I can do also. You to find the difference between success and failure is nothing but a psychology. I told Wisdomania many times we have designed. There is no